Welcome to the Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about subject Civics Standard 6 lesson number 5 District Administration video number 36. The Jilla Parishad is a part of the rural local government system. For example, the Panchayat Raj system, but in Maharashtra, the administration of the district is shared by the both Jilla Parishad and district collector. The union government and state government both participate in this administration. The district collector is the head of the district administration. He is appointed by the state government. He has to perform many functions from collecting agricultural tax to maintaining law and order in the district. We can see what those functions are from the chart given below. Agricultural, law and order, election officer, disaster management. Tahsildar. There is a Tahsildar for the every taluka or tahsil. As a judicial officer, he given judgments to resolve conflict at the local level. The Tahsil has the responsibility of maintaining peace and order in the taluka. The chief of the district police. In the Maharashtra, there is a superintendent of the police at every district headquarters. He is the chief police officer of the district. He helps the district collector to maintain peace and order in the district. In the city, the police commissioner has the responsibility of the maintaining law and order. District administration. This is for chart. Uh, Lower to high post. Police Patil, Talathi, Tahsil, Deputy District Collector, Police Sub Inspector, Police Inspector, Deputy Superintendent of the Police, Superintendent of Police. District Court. The court of the district level has to perform the function of resolving dispute, delivering judgments, and ensuring that conflicts are resolved at the earliest. The Constitution of India has established an independent judiciary at the apex of the system in the Supreme Court of India. Below this are the higher court and below them the lower court. There include district court, taluka court and revenue court. District court. Civil judges, sensation judges, magistrate first grade, magistrate second grade. Disaster management. Sometime we may have a face a calamity. It could be a natural disaster like floods, fire, and cloudburst, cyclone, earthquake, landslide, or problem like roads, bombs blast, breaking of dam, epidemic, etc. Thus, disasters lead to loss of human lives and displacement of people, beside tremendous functional loss. Therefore, the issue of rehabilitations become important. Disaster management is a process which enables one to face a disaster is a scientific and organized manner. The entire machinery of a district is involved in this process. Advance in technology make it possible for us to get the prior information about several kinds of disaster. For example, a system which can predict and warn us of flood or storm has been developed. Thus help us to be better prepared to the face to disasters. Do understand the concept at revise at home. Thank you.